In the fast-paced rhythm of our daily lives, it's easy to lose track of essential maintenance tasks for our vehicles. One crucial aspect that often slips through the cracks is knowing when our next oil change is due. Regular oil changes are the lifeblood of your engine, ensuring optimal performance and longevity. In this comprehensive overview, we'll delve into the factors influencing oil change intervals, common signs indicating it's time for a change, and effective solutions to keep your engine running smoothly. Factors influencing oil change intervals. 1. Driving conditions. Your driving habits and the conditions in which you operate your vehicle play a significant role. Frequent short trips, stop-and-go traffic, or towing can necessitate more frequent oil changes. 2. Oil type and quality. The type and quality of oil used in your vehicle can impact change intervals. High-quality synthetic oils often have longer lifespans compared to conventional oils. 3. Manufacturer recommendations. Always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual for manufacturer-recommended oil change intervals. They are tailored to your specific make and model, taking into account various factors. Signs it's time for an oil change. 1. Dashboard warning light. Modern vehicles are equipped with sophisticated sensors that monitor engine health. The oil change indicator light is a clear signal that it's time for a change. 2. Dark, dirty oil. Checking your oil regularly on the dipstick can provide visual cues. If the oil appears dark and gritty, it's likely time for a change. 3. Unusual engine noises. Increased engine noise, such as knocking or ticking sounds, can be indicative of insufficient lubrication due to old or low-quality oil. Effective solutions. 1. Regular maintenance schedule. Establishing a routine maintenance schedule based on your vehicle's manual ensures you never miss an oil change. Set reminders or use mobile apps to track service intervals. 2. Quality oil products. Invest in high-quality oil and follow the manufacturer's recommendations for oil type. Synthetic oils often offer superior protection and longer intervals between changes. 3. Professional inspection. Schedule periodic inspections with a trusted mechanic. They can assess the condition of your oil and provide valuable insights into the overall health of your vehicle. Now that you're armed with knowledge to keep your engine purring smoothly, don't forget to subscribe for more automotive tips and share this valuable information with friends and family. Hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content, ensuring your vehicle remains in peak condition. Together, let's drive towards a future of hassle-free and reliable journeys. Safe travels!